everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and today I am sharing my July bullet journal setup. My theme this month is ice cream and popsicles. I'm starting with my quote page, which says, "Summer State of Mind." All supplies that I'm using in this video will be linked in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. I'm covering these pages with ice cream cones and other summer treats. For all the black outlining in today's video, I'm using my Sakura Pigma Micron pens. And for all the coloring, I'm using a variety of brush pens, Crayola Super Tips, and Zebra Mild Liner highlighters. This month I'm using lots of pastel colors, lots of pink, blue, green, and purple. For my monthly calendar, I'm creating a 2-page spread with a box for each day of the month. Each box is 4 spaces high and 4 spaces wide. I'm now adding colored drop shadows to each box. This is such an easy thing to do, and I think it really adds a lot of color and dimension to the page. Now for my mood tracker. I'm drawing a 3-scoop ice cream cone for each day of the month. I got this idea from Christy, who is at Everyday Bullet Journal on Instagram. She did this for her May mood tracker and I loved it. I like having space to document multiple moods in a day. I'm drawing my key at the bottom with the corresponding colors for each mood. The next page is my habit tracker. I'm drawing outlines of the month for each habit I'm tracking this month, and I'm coloring in each outline to keep with my colorful vibe for the month. And of course, I'm filling the rest of the page with ice cream cones and popsicles. The next page is my highlights of the day page, where I write down the best thing that happened each day. As you know, if you've watched my videos before, this is one of my favorite pages to do because I love looking back on it after the month is over, just to see all the great memories of the month. This next page is like a monthly to-do list, but it is my moving to-do list. We are moving on August 1st, and there is a lot to do before then. I wanted a place to write everything down to try and stay organized. And I've decided all daunting to-do lists should always be filled with fun ice cream doodles because it makes it so much nicer to look at. Here is my completed July bullet journal setup. I had so much fun with this ice cream theme. Next week, I will be sharing my weekly setups for July, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.